Hey guys, Bruce here from Panasonic, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about inverter technology in microwaves. Now, if you see a microwave with this logo here that says inverter, that means that it's got full control over the level of power output when you're microwaving food, so a true low, medium or high. Whereas microwaves that don't have the inverter logo and don't have inverter technology, while they're smaller and more compact, they're a lot heavier, and unfortunately they only cycle between full power and off. So this can result in inconsistent heating and slower defrosting when it comes to cooking your food. But the easiest way to demonstrate this is with two inverter demo discs. So what I'm going to do is place these discs on the inside of each microwave. Okay, so to demonstrate this, I'm going to set both microwave on a medium temperature for 30 seconds. And what you'll see is this one here will turn off after about, 10-15 seconds, whereas this one here will consistently, at a medium level of microwave power, continue to cook your food, which will be indicated by the lights. So, micro power, medium, micro power, let's call it 600 watts, 30 seconds. 30 seconds on the clock. Here we go. So you can see that this microwave here is already cooking at a medium level, whereas the non-inverter is giving it full power. And then to get medium, you have to turn off about halfway through. So that one's turned off, whereas that one's still cooking at a medium temperature, cooking your food all the way through. Cool, and there you have it. That's the difference between inverter technology and non-inverter technology in microwaves. So the benefit of this is faster defrost, more consistent cooking results versus, well, not that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.